Let me guess, you think glitter is just for festivals and New Year's Eve. You love the idea of a little sparkle, but you're worried that for a regular Tuesday, it might be too much, too messy, or just not you. You feel stuck in a style rut, reaching for the same matty eyeshadows every morning, wanting a little something extra, but having no idea where to even start. If you love a good shimmer but hate the fallout and complicated tutorials, you are in exactly the right place. What if I told you that in the next few minutes I can show you how to use the new 2026 Skin First Sparkle to take your everyday look from dull to dazzling with just a few simple touches? I'm serious. No mess, no fuss, just brilliance. This isn't the chaotic, chunky glitter of the past. This is refined, chic, and designed for your actual life. So, forget everything you think you know about sparkle, because we're about to make it your new daily go-to. Why should your face have all the fun? In 2026, we're treating the whole body as a canvas and using shimmer to create a sculpted, celestial glow. Think like a sculptor for a second. Where does light naturally hit your body? Your collarbones, the tops of your shoulders, down your shins. These are the spots where a strategic shimmer will look the most elegant and flattering. Applying glitter here creates an elongating effect and adds a touch of glam to literally any outfit. The technique is pretty much the same as for the face. First, make sure your skin is hydrated. Moisturizer is your best friend here, because glitter can look patchy on dry skin. Next, apply a tacky base like a body balm or a dedicated body glitter adhesive. Then, using a big flat brush, or just your hands, press the glitter onto those high points. Remember to press and roll, don't rub, to really lock it in. For a more modern feel, try asymmetry. Maybe focus on just one collarbone, or a cool cluster of shimmer on one shoulder blade. Once you're done, hit it with a heavy-duty setting spray to keep it in place and prevent it from transferring onto your clothes. Glitter can also be your best accessory. For a fun, Y2K-inspired vibe, try some rhinestone tattoos or body stickers on your arms or back. Just make sure to apply them to clean, oil-free skin so they stick properly. And hair? Hair is another amazing canvas for sparkle. For a sparkle head look, mix some loose biodegradable cosmetic glitter into a hair gel and run it through your part, or slick it onto a polished ponytail for a pop of shine. Pro tip: style your hair before you apply your body glitter to avoid any messy situations. Let's not forget the lashes. In 2026, glitter mascaras and colored feathered lashes are being treated like statement jewelry. Sometimes, a simple swipe of sparkly mascara is a whole look all by itself. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, how do you wear all of this sparkle at once without looking like you're leading a parade? The secret to a full head-to-toe look is to choose one star player. If your outfit is covered in sequins, maybe you just stick to a glossy lid and a shimmery lip. But if you're wearing a simple black dress, that's the perfect moment to really show off that beautiful body glow on your collarbones and shoulders. Another pro tip is to try and match your tones. If you're wearing warm golden shimmers on your eyes, use a gold or bronze toned shimmer on your body. If you've gone for a cool silvery eye look, a cool toned body highlight will tie everything together beautifully. The goal is a cohesive, celestial glow that enhances your look rather than competes with it. And there you have it, your 2026 guide to making glitter an everyday essential. It's not about being messy or over the top, it's about intentional editorial light play. It's the feral sparkle eye, the modern frosted lip, and that strategic body glow that makes you look like you're lit from within. Glitter is not something to be scared of. It's a tool for self-expression, a way to elevate your look, and an amazing method for breaking out of that style rut. So, I'd love to know which look you're going to try first. The subtle feral sparkle for your next workday, or the full celestial glow for a night out? Let me know in the comments below. And if you loved these tips and want more ways to make beauty trends work for your real life, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now go out there and shine.